Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. You see, this Infiniti is so good and beautiful car. My problem is that, okay, let me just put this light here. The airbag light is on, you see? The airbag light is on. And we need to diagnose this car, how to fix it. First of all, diagnose. Because we don't know what happened, because there is more than 3, 4 to 10 sensors in the car. So let's go use this machine here first. I open the machine. I will go into home diagnose, and then I will go to diagnose. Okay, there is another program running, so try to run all the program, close the other program that is there, and then I will open it, go here, and then we will do the diagnostic correctly. Hopefully everything is good. And this blinking, we try to fix it. So stay with us. Now I go to diagnose. As usual, thank you for your support. So now I go by VIN, click on the VIN, and then we wait a little bit. Okay, we want to know what kind of codes. Okay, Infiniti, this Infiniti. Okay, say yes. Now I gotta diagnose. I gotta go to diagnose. I don't want to diagnose the whole car, so I choose the control unit, and then I will check the airbag here, and then I will go to details, read codes, right front pre-tensioner circuit open, left front pre-tensioner circuit open, left side module open. This is passed. Left front pre-tensioner, right front pre-tensioner. So we have left front pre-tensioner open, B1086, B1081, and B1134. So those codes we have to take one at a time. Left front pre-tensioner circuit open. We're gonna go open this, and we have to open this. Mr. Lou, 1 minute please. We're gonna try to eliminate this one by even putting any test. To test it before you buy anything, you have to put a resistor, for example. We're gonna put a resistor and see if this code will go away. Stay with us. Okay, open this one. We're gonna reach the pre-tensioner to see. We're gonna put a resistor to see if it's gonna go away before we order. We're gonna do the test before we order a seatbelt. So I'm gonna go with it a little bit to make you space. We're gonna reach that place and see if it's gone. Wow, you see how this seat go back, go front? I like it. Okay. I'm gonna open this here. I'm gonna turn the key off, ignition off. Okay. No. Okay. Close it, right? So we come here, we need to deal with the left front, the middle one, you see B086. We're gonna try to eliminate this. We're gonna put a sensor as a resistor here. If the light go away, that means the whole piece here is no good. And this is current. This one is current. Thank you. Oh, okay. Before you take it out, I believe, take this piece out, you see, and then you can go out like this. If you don't take that piece, if you don't move the clip, this one back, the thing will not come out. So now I will try to put a resistor here, okay, to see if everything gonna be okay. If the light go away, that means this resistor is not good. I gotta show you how. Okay, you see, I just put this resistor here. Now we're gonna try to see if the code will go away. Okay, now I will go back. You remember the one 1086? Go back, erase code. Okay, that the airbag light still blinking. Read code. Read code. Left from pre-tensioner. Left from pre-tensioner is passed. Nothing there. Left module, left side module. Okay, let me go back again. Erase code. Lou, just turn the ignition on and off for me again.
Wow. This is not safe, puppy.
Which one? What you have there?
What? On the seat.
Oh my goodness. Who put it there? Maybe the same guy? Okay. Turn it off. Okay. Turn it on again. Erased. Read code. You see now everything, right front pre-tensioner circuit. You see now everything gone. Now the right front also. We're gonna do that one also to be sure. Turn it off and start it again. I gotta read the codes. Read again. Turn it, okay, ignition is on, turn it on. So the two front seat belts are no good. Read again. Yeah, right front pre-tensioner. Also, we're gonna do for the right front one like this and see if it's gonna work or not. If it doesn't, if it's work and it's go away, that means the right side seat belt also is no good. The customer have to bring two seat belts to put it in. This is a test only to know what's going on. So we know that one is for the left, one is for the right. We're gonna check the right side too. I'm gonna take this one out, for example, or to put it there, but I don't want to take it out because I need to eliminate everything to know what's wrong. Stay with us. Okay, if you notice here, I put this resistor here. Sometimes just putting the resistor, it may not help because this sometimes it lock, it close in, the circuit close in. But let's try to see if it's gonna work or not. We have only one code here, you see it? Let me clear it. Erase. Successful erase. Read code. No code detected. I'm gonna try to start it and put it back. Then we know that we need two seat belts. This is just to know what's going on. You can do this for the skirt and airbag, all these places to be sure that this is the problem. So I'm gonna go back with this a little bit. Okay, let me start it. I'm gonna go back because I see also other code. Nothing is there. So we know for sure that the airbag seat belt, the two seat belts are no good. So we need two seat belts. The customer is supposed to put, this is a test, narrow down the problem, know what it is. So I'm gonna show him what's going on, what you need to do. We're gonna call for two airbag sensors, airbag seat belt, and then they have to do it. But do not try to put those resistors as a repair. It is not safe because anything happen, the customer may be in trouble. We use this to narrow down the problem of the car. Right now I don't have no code. If I disconnect it, the code will appear. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if he get his airbag seat belt, he can put it just and then just connect the wire back and everything will go away. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And see you in another video. Thank you. And thank you for your support.